Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Most common symptom of obsessive compulsive disorder is obsession of thoughts of contamination are more common than others. In obsession of thoughts of contamination, the patient has feeling that his hands or his body is unclean. So this is an obsession. So this obsession is more common. And if the patient tries to resist the obsession. But even after trying to resist the obsession, if the patient cannot resist the obsession, then he will start washing his hands, which is a compulsion. The patient will get compulsive washing of hands. So the major symptom of obsessive compulsive disorder is obsessive thoughts of contamination for the patient.
thank you and thank you for watching.